Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Windows batch file. It's actually very simple. I'm going to show it. So let's make a batch file at this folder. So for example, if you want to make a batch file, just first make a new text document and rename it as you want. Like for example run or whatever you want to make. Just choose a name of your liking and then open it and then save as. Change this normal text file to batch file here and save. Or you can also do this same thing, just like this normal text file. You can just select all types, then dot bat. That's your batch file. If you will press save now, it will ask to replace this one because I've already created one. Or you can rename this one to save, then it will not ask to replace it. You can see it's another. If you click this one, nothing will happen. Okay, because there is nothing inside. You can edit this one. You can see there's nothing inside. If you want to run something, then you have to put some code here. This Windows batch file will take the command line and run it whatever you put it here. For example, let's take this Mr. Base program and then add it here, paste it here. Okay, we have this one here. Let's delete all this. We don't need this. So now if you want to run, if you actually want to run Mr. Base this program using this run batch, then you can just simply sorry, you can just simply edit with notepad, then copy the name of this program, copy, then paste, and you can see this is a application, and in Windows application we usually have this extension exe. So click, and when you will run this, it will open this program. You can see it has opened this program. The same thing will happen if you just click this. You can see the same thing. If you press the run, it will do the same thing. Nothing is different. We are just asking this run to open Mr. Base. So that's how you make Windows batch file. Thanks for watching.